In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your LinkedIn ads account to Hubspot. Connecting these two platforms can be incredibly beneficial for your business, allowing you to seamlessly manage your marketing campaigns and gain deeper insights from your LinkedIn ad data directly within HubSpot. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and go to the HubSpot homepage. You can simply type hubspot.com into your address bar and hit enter. Once you're there, look for the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. If you're new to HubSpot, you'll need to set up an account first, but assuming you already have one, go ahead and log in. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your HubSpot home dashboard. From here, to connect LinkedIn ads, you'll want to locate the marketplace icon. This icon resembles a store or a market, and you'll usually find it in the main navigation bar of your HubSpot dashboard. Click on the marketplace icon, which will take you to the HubSpot app marketplace. Inside the marketplace, you'll see a plethora of apps that can be integrated with HubSpot. But since we're focusing on LinkedIn ads, locate the apps section, which might be listed in categories, or you can use the search function to speed up this process. Click on apps to continue. With the apps section open, use the search bar to type in LinkedIn ads. HubSpot will display the relevant app options as you type. When you see LinkedIn ads in the search results, click on it to view more details. This will bring up a page with all pertinent information regarding the integration, including reviews, features, and setup instructions. After reviewing the details to ensure you're connecting the right app, you'll want to click the Install App button. This is typically a prominent button, likely labeled clearly to avoid any confusion. By clicking this, you're beginning the integration process between HubSpot and LinkedIn ads. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the integration. You might need to log into your LinkedIn account within this process, so make sure your LinkedIn credentials are handy. Once you've authorized the connection, HubSpot and LinkedIn will start communicating, allowing your ad data to flow into HubSpot seamlessly, and there you have it. With your LinkedIn ads account now connected to HubSpot, you can enjoy a more streamlined advertising experience. Remember, integrating these platforms not only saves time, but also enhances your ability to track the performance of your LinkedIn advertising efforts in one central location. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out with a comment below.